Messenger notification sound, how to change. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your messenger notification sound, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change your messenger notification sound, it's very simple. Open the messenger app over here. Once you open the messenger app, tap the three lines option from the top left and then just tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon here. Once you come to this settings icon, now you want to simply scroll and look for option called notifications and sounds. Now this process is much more easier on Android, because on Android you can choose custom notifications. So all you have to do is go ahead and open notifications. Now if you want to change the ringtone on Messenger when someone calls you can do that here, and you can see other ringtones that are available on your device. These are the ringtones that your device gives you, not the Messenger app, but coming from an Android or iOS. The other is notifications. So customize notifications, you can see alert, and you can see the sound by default, which is default notification sound, but you can actually change that to other notification sounds if you like, which are all of them are available over here. If you have a custom downloaded as well, you can also add that if you want. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can actually change notification sound on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.